Look at these historic animals. Like, wow. Look how huge they are. Look at them. This is like Jurassic Park. It's right in Nairobi, Kenya. They're everywhere. Look at them. Huge.